haven't had money since December of 2014. And when I read the policy manual, it looked like you committed money to priority populations. So are you saying that you didn't have money since December 14 for a particular priority population, or you didn't have money for anybody, or what?
What I'm actually saying is it started December 2014. That's when the pending funding list started. So per instructions that were told to me, because I didn't make those decisions, we were no longer approving any more certificates because we were pending funding and there were no more funds. So that's.
So you haven't issued any certificates since December of 2014?
To add new people. Yes.
So nobody has gotten new money?
But we've been servicing the foster, the families, the teams.
But with what money?
I don't know. I don't do that portion, so I can't answer that question for you.
We've heard the concerns. Right now, we are working to go through page by page that policy manual. I'm being honest, like Ms. Angela said, that policy manual was in effect before I've only been in this position since February. So, yes, we're reviewing the policy manual at this very moment. DHS Legal is also involved with reviewing that policy manual, but it's not going to be something overnight. And in order for us to go through and look at each policy and review it and see how we can make a change for the better, it's going to take time to do that.
You don't have money since 2014, okay? But you're asking these parents to read, and it's not y'all. You guys are not doing, you're doing your job. You're telling us what they're saying, okay? Nobody's mad. But here's the thing, you have parents who say, okay, they don't have money since 2014 for these parents who are working. But you also have federal emergency funds for the other people that are priority. Okay.
Yes.
But you're asking these parents to go through this redetermination again, but they're not getting any money. Here's what I'm trying to understand my government, because apparently we're all screwed up. You're asking parents to redo this again. There's no money. So what is the point of them redoing it one more time? And they might not get it that time. But they've been on a waiting list since 2014, and it's not your fault. You're just doing your job. So somebody in the government, somebody in this office, somebody in this agency needs to talk to somebody, because it's all screwed up.
Yes.
We used to ask these parents every time to do this, but there's no money.
We have to go through the eligibility process. It's part of the federal law.
Yeah.
It's part of the federal law. Anything that came down, like Ms. Carroll talked about, from that federal reauthorization that went into effect November 19, 2014.
So when they do,
We have money to service those that are currently on the
Your money does
program.
come through. They're going to be able to go ahead and pay, but right now, as it is, there's no money.
We're paying
So
certificates for what we have.
So
What we don't have new money for are like those that are on the pending funding list as of
Like me.
December of 14 for new.
For new. So
For new parents that
Got this, it's possible for priority. But that's money sitting there for the priority. But we still got these other families that don't fit into the priorities. But these families need child care, and there's money there. But we gotta just hold this money for this select group. It ain't like we waiting on them to send us some money, because there is money. But your boss, our government, whoever, said, we're not gonna use this for this line of people that need it, because they don't fit into this priority group. But there is money. So we have to stop telling people that we haven't had money since 2014. Because there is money. That's the truth, that there is money.
Here in Mississippi Delta, they can be Sasha and Malia Obama too.
Thank you.
But they just need the opportunity, and they need to be able to go to a daycare center while their parent is working, as opposed to them trying to decide on, do I take care of my child or do I go to work?
You can't, you don't win. Excuse me, y'all, damn if I do, damn if I don't. Because I need to take care of the kids, but I don't have the money to pay. I'm not getting this certificate. I don't fit in. What do you do?
Yeah.
Or if I go and leave my kids, then y'all gonna, DHS gonna take them for, I'm just saying. So what you do? If I keep the 13-year out, 14, 15-year-old out of school, you keep the kid, because I need to go work. I gotta work these 2 weeks to make some money to keep the lights on. This is what we see every day. I just fell on some hard times and I'm trying to go to work, but I don't fit into your criteria. So what I do? Let my husband or my boyfriend go rob somebody? Go snatch somebody's purse? Or turn to selling drugs? This is the world that we're living in, while our governor, while our leaders say, this priority money. And that priority money is just like we just sit there and look at it and wait. Okay, yeah, you're going to be approved. And it's just a bunch, it's game. And I'm just saying, you just get to a point where you just fed up. And we're not like crazy people. We recognize game. And it's just these kids, you keep on saying, not you, you keep showing where we on the bottom, we on the bottom for test scores, we're low at this, but you won't help us. And sometimes people just need a little help, but they don't fit into that little so-called priority group. What happens? Children still being left behind. Children still come to public school, not ready because of poverty.